Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit video using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and in this Canva, we'll not only be able to edit photo but also video, and I'm going to show you how we can edit video here. First of all guys, you can select the video. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on, for example, YouTube video. Let's say I want to edit my video for YouTube using Canva. Okay, and then we can add or import the video we want to edit. We just need to go to the uploads menu and you can import your video. I'm just going to choose the video I have just uploaded. Okay, for example, this one and also this one. But wait, I'm going to zoom in to fit the screen like this, and I'm going to add new page. Okay, then I'm going to add this video. Oops, this is the second video. Okay, and here guys, you'll be able to for example, crop the video, or you can add like filter or transition. It's up to you, and for me, I'm just going to add transition to this video. I'm going to add this slide transition. All right, and then I'm going to show you how we can change the speed of the video. If you want to change the speed, you just need to go to the playback and you will be able to change the video speed here. It's going to make it faster. Okay, and you will be able to animate it as well if you want. Alright, and then I'm going to for example, crop the video. If you want to crop it, you just need to click on the video and then you can click on this crop option and you will be able to crop your video like this. Oops, sorry. Okay. Alright, and now the video has been cropped. Okay, and you will be able to add elements to your video. It's up to you guys. If you want to add elements, just go to the elements and you will be able to add a lot of elements here, or you can add tags to your video. Okay, and once you're ready to export it, just click on share and then you can click on download. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit video using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.